Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Peter. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can create this AI using your smartphone or your PC. Without any further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial. Now I'll be leaving this prompt in the video description. I'll kindly indicate it and you just copy it and use it, edit it to your taste, or better still, just anything you like. Or I'll also be keeping that as a Word document so you can just download it, or a text document you can just copy the prompt and just use. So the first thing is join and create. So if you can create one, if you're not having a Microsoft mail, you can just click on this create one. But however, since I'm having, I'll just make use of mine. So I'll use my password instead, then I'll just sign in. Okay, so I'm good. So now I have my prompts. So this is, I'll be creating like a 3D illustration of boy sitting on an Instagram. Should we use Instagram? Okay, let's make use of Instagram. So the next thing is just come here and paste your prompt. So I'll now create. So we'll wait. Now this is number of credits. This thing here, the number of credits you can use. Create image more if you run out of image next time. Okay, so I'll click on create. So it's creating. You can see your image is being created by AI. So it's gonna take a while. When it's done, it's gonna bring out my image for me. Alright, so these are the email. You can see Zaxis. So to now save it, I'll just click on this, then I'll click on this particular three dot icon and click on download. So once it's downloaded, I will just click on open. You can see my image is saved. I can use it for whatever I want to use it for. Alright, so that you can also use any other, like this one. Now I used Instagram. Instead of Instagram, I can just come here and change it to let me use Facebook or TikTok. Okay, boy. Okay, let me use girl now. Okay, black American boy on the TikTok page with his profile name. Alright, so I've edited it. Then I'll just create. You can see it has reduced to 13. Alright, so it's loading. Okay, now you can see dark boy. Alright, so you can see you can just select any of them, save them. Okay, look at them. You can just alright, so that's all for this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one.